My cat's looking at me like, Mom, what are you doing? So this is Conan. He's special. Oh my god, my camera's upside down. Sorry, guys. There, I'll do that. That's easier. Yeah, this is Conan. Some beautiful toes. Please ignore my garbage pile. This is Kieran. And he's very fluffy and looks terrified of everything. He's still perpetually just looking like, Mom, what the fuck? This one, he loves everyone and he loves feet. Don't know why, but he plays fetch. Here, you guys wanna see my cat play fetch? Hi, welcome to my room. See, and then he brings it back. And then I pick it up and throw it again. I don't know why he knows how to do this, but he does. Yeah, so this is a pastime I do with my cat. This is how I play with him. We play fetch. Oh, jeez. Promise there was a flash of cat in there. See him emerge from the darkness. Hello, I have my ball. It's the ever so slightly open mouth for me that gets me. No, I have my camera positioned on a cheese grater to hold it up. There you go. That's the doofus face I love the internet to see. What do y'all think? No, you moved. It's nappy time for him.